Working from home is becoming more common due to the advantage of eliminating long commutes. But amidst the clutter, working from a laptop at your dining table can quickly become frustrating and encourage bad posture. My name's Daniel Titchener and I'm an architect and photographer living in London. And in this video, I'm going through my desk setup and what I do to make working from home easy when living in a micro apartment. Desks are particularly problematic because they take up a lot of space, often house a lot of equipment, and can't be easily moved. Transforming furniture can be an effective way to create space when there's none available. What I found to be a solution is the use of folding hinges. These hinges are easily found on sites such as eBay and Amazon and can support a weight of up to 130 pounds. These work using a small catch which locks into place when the desk is raised and can be depressed to allow the desk to be dropped back into place when not in use. I've paired these with a metre-wide laminate worktop from IKEA, which is both hard-wearing and lightweight. I've installed these hinges so that the work surface is 30 inches high, remembering to include the thickness of the laminate worktop in the process. Because the worktop folds, it means that it has to be easily cleared, which makes for a much tidier workspace, but also means that a monitor cannot be placed on the desk. Wall-mounted monitor arms are easy to install and solve this problem by completely freeing up the desk space while providing a fully adjustable viewing angle. The cabling can be easily run down the wall and connects to any devices you may need. Here I have my monitor hooked up to my work laptop and games console that is housed in nearby storage cabinets. All of the controls to my devices are wireless. However, I've found that frequently used items can easily end up living on your workspace. To avoid this, I'm installing a pegboard on the adjacent wall to keep all of my frequently used items tidy and within reach. This keeps everything off my desk and provides me with a much more comfortable working environment. Everything I use on my desk has a home away from the work surface, meaning the worktop can be instantly cleared and folded away. Not only does this keep my workspace tidier, it instantly makes our apartment feel much larger than it actually is. I hope that in some way this video helps in considering new ways to improve your own home workspace and personal productivity. If there's anything you'd like to see more of, or if anything in this video has inspired you, leave me a comment in the section below. Thanks for watching.